Hello everybody, this is your instructor speaking, Emil Niculescu. So, week 4, what do we do week 4? Okay, so if you go to your lessons, you're gonna see under week 4, you're gonna see lesson 4, okay? Evaluate a website, okay? So what are we gonna do? We're gonna base our lesson on page 108, 111, from 108 to 111 in your textbook. It's called Chapter 6. And out of this, I just want you to read about websites, okay? And in particular, this chart here, right here, okay? Evaluating a website. So, what do you do? And I give you helpful. So basically, you are gonna look at a website. Which website exactly? I'll show you. So I picked for you this website, Glassdoor. Okay. You go to Glassdoor. How they recommend. You go to this page. What they recommend. How to write a resume. Okay, because basically that's what a lot of this class is about, is writing a resume, and that's what in your life you're gonna write a lot of resumes, so it's a super useful skill. So just read this carefully, okay? All the way down, and then here at the bottom, you're supposed to find the sponsor. Actually, it's not here. Somewhere in this website, you have to find out who is the sponsor of this website, because that's going to be your first question to be able to review this website. Okay, and I'm going to let you find out who is the sponsor of Glassdoor.com. Okay, so going back to lesson 4, you get instructions. So I recommend, in order to write this review, I recommend using the following questions. Who is the sponsor of the website? And do they provide full contact information? Comment on the layout. Does it seem cluttered, uncluttered, welcoming, or not welcoming? 3. Comment on the choice as far as color is used to highlight the content. Comment on whether there is a visual interplay between text and images. Final recommendation. Would you recommend this website to build your resume? Why and why not? Provide an alternative, another website, okay? So, how do you answer these questions? Well, you could write them down on a piece of paper, or you could open a new Word document and copy this, what I wrote, or you could open a Google Sheets document. What is a Google Sheets? Well, if I go into my Google account, right, in your Gmail, here's my account. I guess I'm already there. When you look at a Google page, you see a applications, Google applications, okay, right here next to my avatar. If you click on that, you see all kinds of Google applications, right? You get translation, photos. Sorry, mine is translated in, some of it is translated in Romanian. And then you get sheets, okay? It's something that looks like this, okay? You click on that, and then you can create a new spreadsheet. Once you have that spreadsheet, you need 2 columns. So criteria to evaluate a website, and then another criteria would be my answers. Okay. And after you do that, I mean, you don't have to do this, but it'll keep you organized. Okay. So I don't care really how you answer those questions, how you evaluate the website, but I think it's really helpful to be organized. Okay. So what are the questions that I provided? They're right here. So you can copy and paste. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to highlight, press Control C, and then go back to my spreadsheet and just paste that. Copied too much. Okay. I'm going to make this bigger. Okay, so now I got my first question. Who is the sponsor of the website? Well, where do you find usually sponsors of websites? They're usually at the bottom, something about us. Okay, so let's see. If we go to the home page of the website, can we find where it says about us, about the blog? Let's see, Glassdoor. I'm going to press on Glassdoor right here. And what do I get? Okay, Glassdoor. So Glassdoor also gives you, you can find jobs on Glassdoor. Okay, so if you go at the bottom, you're going to find Glassdoor.inc, about Glassdoor right here. You see it here? And you press on that, and you read who is this company. Okay, so that's the sponsor. That's the okay. So it says that it's Glassdoor operates as part of Recruiting Holding, growing HR technology business segment. Glassdoor is headquartered in Mill Valley, California, and was founded by blah 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 blah. Okay, who's Recruiting Holding? Okay, well you can copy that and find out in another tab. Recruiting Holding. Who the heck are they? Okay. Recruiting Holdings. Okay. Contact us. Who we are. It's a company that, anyway, read and see if you can find information how to contact them. Okay. So basically that should answer your first question. Then question number 2 is about layout of that website, about the resume. Is it cluttered? Is it uncluttered? Is it welcoming? And again, like if you want to be organized, you know, you put it in here and you type your answer next to it, blah 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 blah. Again, the first question, blah 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 blah. All right, and you go on like this, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you go back to that website. Okay, again, you look at the website. Does it look cluttered? Is it welcoming? Or do you want to run away from this website? You don't want to read it. Okay, look at the pictures, right? Okay. So then you get to question 5, final recommendation. Would you, after you've seen this, you know, you talked about the colors, you talked about the visual interplay between text and image, your final recommendation. Would you use this website to build your resume, and why not, right? And so then you write your answer. So after you wrote this, you can submit your Google Sheets document to me, or you could create another document using Word. Okay, you can open a Word document. Okay, and then you type those questions, you know, you can type a review of Glassdoor website to build resumes, and then you will start writing, you know, number 1 question. The Glassdoor website I reviewed is sponsored by whatever their name was, Recruit something holding, I don't remember, a large corporation based in blah blah blah. Their contact information is clearly listed where whatever it is and what it is, and then you go on to the next question that I used. It was about layout. Then you continue your paragraph. The layout of this website is, and then you describe the layout, you know, and then you go on to the colors are pleasing or not or whatever, the interplay. Then you go to the next thought, the interplay between images and text makes me, I don't know, eager or tired, or exhausts me, something, I don't know, whatever your opinion is. And then my final recommendation is that this website is easy or moderately difficult to use for someone with no experience doing this, because, and then you give the reason why, you know, whatever your reason is, you know, this is really your opinion, okay? And I'm just kind of helping you out, create your prose, you know, in an organized way. And then you could say, instead, I would use the website, you know, name of the website at this link because, and then list why you would do that, okay? So, I mean, don't forget your name, you know, name. Joe Smith, whatever, okay? And then you save that to your desktop and then you submit it. And that's the exercise for the week, okay? Cool. If you have any questions, then just send me a message. Bye-bye.